Wow, TressAllure, what a beauty. Okay, this is the new Charming by TressAllure, and the color on this one is the 1723R8. And I must say she is quite the charmer. Very, very pretty. Just one of those wow wigs, you know? So she reminds me a lot of the Leading Edge wig, but she's shorter, which I like because Leading Edge was very long, like, you know, I think past the bra strap, like mid lower back. And she was a lot of hair to deal with. And this one is just a more manageable length. The layering and the movement is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just look at this. It's so pretty. So this is made with their heat-friendly TressAllure realistic light fiber. Is that what they call it? Hold on, let me do. Yes, realistic light fiber. And I will say, I am already struggling a little bit with the tangling. So keep your wide tooth comb handy. You know, this is enough length that your nape is going to tangle and stuff like that. Now, this one does have some layering, but the layers are still pretty straight. You know, they've just got maybe a little bit of a curl to the very end. So this should be pretty easy to maintain with your hot comb. I will link the hot comb that I prefer in the description box down below so that it'll make it easy for you to find. But you can just run that hot comb over the nape and it will just comb right through those tangles and literally iron those fibers back out. So, but gosh, what a gorgeous, gorgeous wig. Wig was provided by wigs.com, and I will have a link in the description box that will save you 30%. You can shop at wigs.com through that link. So beautiful extended lace front on Charming. So it goes all the way to here. The hairline looks awesome. Just love it. And then she has a left mono part that goes to the crown. So very realistic. It was super easy to open, just straight out of the box. I always find that the parts on TressAllure wigs are just easy to deal with, and I like that. The density is light, low density, but you can get a little volume with the cut. So don't think that you can't maybe zhuzh up, put a little product in, or if you want to get a little volume, but the natural density in the style is low. I'm not finding permatease anywhere, not at the ear tabs and not at the nape either. So just a very, very natural density. So just really, really a gorgeous wig. Okay, so as far as the fit, this is fitting very true to average. So I'm petite, I'm 21 inches, I'm 11 inches ear to ear, I'm 13 inches forehead to nape, and it's fine on me ear to ear. I've got great coverage. You know, it's even a little, just slightly long, but not uncomfortably long on my petite measurements. So, you know, if you're someone who has my measurements and you have a lot of hair there, you should get really good coverage there at the ear tabs. But that's also good for those of you who are average. It's really a true to average ear to ear measurement. And then there's plenty of extra room forehead to nape. It's also an open wefted cap, so there's a lot of stretch in the cap. So it should accommodate a lot of different head sizes. I did not bring in the circumference, you know, the adjusters for my circumference, which is good for those of you who are petite. But you know, I think this is going to accommodate petite, unless you're just ultra petite. My little friends who are 20 inches, 19.5 inches, it might be a little too big for you. Maybe a wig grip. You can wear it with a wig grip. But average and average plus, I think, should be able to wear it. So that's really, really nice. Measurements are 9.5 inches here in the front. I suppose you could, you know, cut a bang into that, or at least a side bang. It is 15 inches from the crown, 11 inches at the nape, and 4.97 ounces, 97 ounces for the weight. 97, that just sounds like a lot. 4.97, 5 ounces pretty much, right? Doesn't feel like, I mean, it just feels like it weighs nothing. It's a very, very nice weight. Okay, so here's that left mono part that goes to the crown with closed lace next to that with no permatease. I guess I have pulled through some hairs, as you can see. Extended lace front, giving you that beautiful hairline, soft ear tabs with a metal stay, an open wefted cap, an extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and as I said, these are heat-friendly synthetic fibers. Okay, so let's take a look at this beautiful color. So this is the 1723R8, and this is in their realistic light fiber. So very, very pretty, warm color, you know, an auburny medium brown. The description that I got from the website at wigs.com was beige, blonde, and auburn blended with medium brown roots. But I don't know, I just consider it really to be a medium brown with some auburn and some blonde, you know, a blonde highlight going through it. So just to simplify and let you know what I'm actually seeing. But it's a warm color, very, very pretty. Definitely, you know, auburny. And then you can see that root. The lighter colors, a little bit at the lace front, but not too heavy at the lace front. You know, sometimes they really focus, they really put too much light fiber right at the lace and it looks a little strange. So, but very, very pretty. Okay, let's check it out in some other lighting. So here we are in the light coming through my patio window. You can see the part looks so nice. Here's the knots in this lighting. You can see the brunette, the auburn, the blonde. Color, it's pretty much overcast. There's a little bit of sun peeking through, but good lighting for color. Okay, so she should be easy to tuck behind the ears because she is low natural density. And then we can put on glasses. No problem. Now I only tuck it behind the ears when I put the glasses on, just so y'all can see, you know, how easy the glasses go on over the ear tabs and stuff. So, but you can also put them up on your head, which I love. And she should have just this type of a style has a ton of styling potential. So simple styling, maybe a headband. You could pull out some hair around the face if you wanted to, or just leave it all back. These layers are long enough that we should be able to get the whole thing half up, half down. You just always want to check your ear tabs. Yeah, I think all that hair will stay back. You know, you may have to work with it a little bit. I think it's going to stay back. Now, I may have a little lump there, but remember, we're on camera. If I was in the mirror, it wouldn't be that way, but. So easy to do, half up, half down. Easy pony, updo, stuff like that. Just know that I do think that these fibers, I don't know if they're finer or why exactly they're calling them lighter, but they definitely, the nape is tangling pretty easily. And so just know that these heat-friendly fibers will require, you know, some maintenance with your heat tools, possibly the first time you wear them, because I think if I was wearing this all day long, at the end of the day, I would definitely see some, you know, friction on these ends of these fibers, I'm afraid. So, you know, like I said, I'll link that hot comb down below that just makes it really easy to go over your fibers and maintain them. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to wigs.com for providing this wig for me to review for you all. And don't forget, there is a link in the description that will save you 30% to shop through. So thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.